You probably think AI is a threat to your job. And honestly, it is. Automation is getting smarter, faster, cheaper, and it's already replacing roles in customer service, data entry, even design and writing. But here's the plot twist: that's actually a good thing, because the real danger isn't AI. It's getting stuck in a repetitive, low growth work world while the rest of the world evolves around you. The people who win now in this next chapter aren't the ones trying to compete against AI, they're the ones partnering with it. So if you're feeling the pressure, good. That means you're paying attention. Now, let's talk about why this threat might actually be the biggest unlock of your entire career. There's a fear that people think, oh, AI is going to replace my job. AI is going to replace my whole department. And it's not actually AI that's going to be replacing you. It's people that know how to use AI. So what's the best thing that you can do right now? Just learn about it. Foster a mindset of continuous growth, because honestly, that's the only thing that's going to pay off right now. Let's talk about some companies in the past that got stuck in this same repetitive workflow and didn't evolve with the world around them. Nokia, BlackBerry, they were the business phone. And then smartphones came along, iPhone came along, and they thought maybe this is just a fad. Let's just stay the course, keep going. And it wasn't a fad. We have Blockbuster, another big one, a giant that completely lost their business once Netflix came along and Blockbuster didn't evolve and essentially copy this template that was working so well that the entire world grabbed a hold of. Now, Blockbuster's history. We don't want to be Blockbuster. We want to keep evolving. We want to be the Netflix or the smartphone in this situation. And now we have ChatGPT that has introduced this new way of designing just by a prompt. Basically, you're able to generate design templates, images from prompt that are unmatched, unlike before, where you had to be very, very specific. I know personally a few ad agencies and even friends that are running ad agencies that exclusively use ChatGPT now for their design templates, either fixing existing ad templates that were not performing that well or creating entirely new ones from scratch. And they're doing them fast and they're performing well. And this is not something you can just ignore. You have to adapt. You have to learn how to use it yourself and move forward with this wave, because it is not stopping. I want to say it again. The best thing you could do is foster this mentality of continuous growth and change, because we all know the only constant is change. Move with the change. Don't resist it. And this very channel is no different. For example, for our script writing, we now have it automatically done by ChatGPT. Whereas before, we spent a lot of time writing scripts to the point where we were ready to hire a script writer. And then we're thinking, why would we do that when we could just have it all done through ChatGPT? And it does a fantastic job. This week is a little bit different. I just want to talk about some ideas. So I'm not using a script today, for example, but in most of our videos, that's how we're able to save so much time continuously and pump out videos every single week, is through this adaptation of leaning into AI and the capabilities that it has. Now you want to ask yourself the question, what can I be doing to save my time at work? Whether you're a business owner or you have a role within a company, keep in mind that AI is replacing simple tasks, repetitive tasks like data entry, scheduling, qualifying leads, lead generation, all these types of things that people were doing manually for so long. Either you're doing these tasks yourself, you can learn how to automate this and increase your output, increase your productivity. For example, if you're not a business owner and you are an employee within a company and you're able to teach yourself these skills and apply it to your work, now your boss will see that you're not simply just doing data entry. You're able to learn about these things, automate it, implement AI into your actual role to increase your productivity. And these are the things that business owners will be looking for moving forward. And as a business owner, the same thing applies. If you're looking to scale down your team a little bit, increase your productivity, just think how you can automate these repetitive, monotonous tasks. I'm sure you have some great employees in your company. Rather than having them do these tasks, you can reposition them to doing higher value tasks, more creative tasks within the company. This way, all the monotonous tasks are being handled by AI and automation, and you can focus your team on to doing more important things for your company and not just simply entering numbers into a system. And also, you have to be thinking, while yes, AI and automation will be replacing certain roles, people who know how to use these tools, replacing certain departments, keep in mind that now a person can start their own business with a few automations with what used to take a whole team of people to do before. So what does that mean? There's going to be new businesses, new careers. At the end of the day, businesses still still need humans to work, to close deals, for higher level strategy, for the creative parts of these companies. New jobs will be created through this. What you have to keep in mind is that if you foster, again, this mentality of continuous growth and you start to learn these things, learn how to use AI, learn how to automate a few things, this could seriously open up new career paths. Instead of worrying about losing your job, instead focus on what's next. How can I use these tools to improve my current output, to get more clients, get more leads, schedule more meetings automatically? That's what we're here to do. We're here to teach people how to grow these skills and how to apply them to either their job or how to apply them to their business. And I think if you're moving in this direction with us, you're going to be just fine. And this is exactly what we're discussing in our Skool community. You can find the link below. I know you've heard me talk about it in previous videos before, but we're helping each other learn these tools, get better, apply them to either our personal lives or work lives to be more efficient, save time, and focus on the things that matter more. If you haven't checked it out before, now would be a great time to do that, because what we're doing is recognizing that there is a train here and we're jumping on it because we don't want to miss this train. I'm here to encourage you in this video to join us, learn these skills with us. I also want to hear back from you in the comments. I'd love to hear your personal experience, how AI and automation has changed your company or your business in the past few months even. Please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer any questions, reply. Also, I left a little gift for you down below, so please be sure to check that out. Once again, this has been Jake Dawson. Thank you guys for staying tuned, and I'll catch you in the next video.